Hello again everyone, it's Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech. I've got another unboxing video for you today, a quick one. So recently a friend and neighbour of mine asked me to have a look for a decent starter package for his granddaughter. She's age 6, so we had a look at several different guitars, and then eventually he settled on a Harley Benton package. So this is what we've got today to unbox. So in this package we have a mini guitar, a 3/4 Strat style guitar. We have a 10-watt amp, a guitar bag, a strap, and a clip-on tuner and a guitar lead. So we get all of those in this bundle. The entire bundle from Thomann in Germany cost £127. So I did open the outer carton just to check that everything looked okay inside, which it did, thanks to Thomann's packaging. So the first thing we've got is a gig bag. Just have a look at that, and it looks quite decent quality for a 3/4 size guitar. It's got a couple of compartments, pockets on it, very useful. So that's the gig bag. Then what else we got in here? Okay, we've got guitar strap. Fairly standard, cheapish nylon guitar strap, but again looks okay. We have a plug adapter, which will obviously be for the amplifier, a clip-on tuner, a 10-foot guitar cable, again quite a decent guitar cable, not one of the really cheap ones that you normally get in these starter kits. And we've got the guitar, which we'll have a look at in a bit, and a little 10-watt practice amplifier, which is also a Harley Benton brand. Let's take a look at the guitar first. Got another cable in here, that is one of the cheaper type cables. Let's take a look at this. Got a couple of Allen keys for the truss rod and saddles. As ever, this was all really well packaged up by Thomann. So hopefully there'll be no damage. Even the strings are wrapped here. So as you can see, it's a Strat style guitar. Finish looks really nice on it, looks flawless. Five-way switch, 1 volume and 1 tone. No tremolo, it's a hardtail. Tuners feel nice and smooth. So it looks okay. Let's have a look at the amp. So there's the amp. Some more packaging materials and a manual. So this has got a small 6-inch speaker. It's 10 watts. Feels quite sturdy actually, quite well built. And then let's have a look what we've got on this amp. So it's solid state obviously. We've got a channel select, so it's twin channel, so it's got an overdrive as well. We've got gain, bass, middle, treble, volume. We've got a headphone output for silent practice, and we've got an auxiliary input for an MP3 player or an iPhone or anything like that, so you can play along to backing tracks. So we'll just plug this in and check that everything works, and then I'll do a review later on. That's all I'm basically going to do today, is just the unboxing. Just check that everything is working as it should be. So first of all we need to use this plug adapter for the UK. This is the only problem really with getting this kind of stuff from Germany, is you only get a 2-prong plug. There we go, so that's in there now. Close that up, and so it's quite a large physical size now for a plug, so you will need to have an extension cable or something to plug this in. Plug this in and see what the amp's like. I'll just set everything at 12 o'clock. So at the minute everything's down. So I'll just put everything up to the midway position, including the drive. And then we'll switch on and turn the volume up. Right, so that's on now. Obviously I haven't got a mic on this, so it's probably going to sound dreadful just through the camera mic. That's neck, this is neck and middle. Middle. I haven't tuned it up properly, I've just got it something like. This is bridge and middle. And bridge. Volume's working as it should. I'm assuming this is a global tone control, so it should work on the bridge as well. Yep. So that seems to be working fine. That's just with all the dials on the amp at 12 o'clock. Just try the overdrive. Turn the drive up, the gain. So yeah, that seems okay. He's asked me to do a setup on this if it needs it, so I'll have a look at it and I'll get it playing as best I can. But yeah, for a beginner, it seems like a great little package. The amp sounds alright. For a solid state amp, it's plenty loud enough. I only took that up to halfway and it's plenty loud enough for practicing, and you do have the option of practicing silently with that headphone socket. I'll be back with another video shortly, but that's all from me today. As ever, with this nonsense and the virus going around, just be careful, and I'll see you soon. Well, thanks again for watching the channel, and if you do like this kind of content, please do like, comment, share, and remember, subscribe to the channel. That helps me out. If you do subscribe, remember, click the little bell notification so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. But thank you all again.